This was not just about building a bridge. The MTHL had to overcome extreme engineering challenges. From building piles in the seabed to constructing over sensitive marine ecosystems, every inch had to be calculated, modeled, and executed with precision. The bridge rests on 500-plus piers, driven as deep as 60 meters below sea level, designed to withstand earthquakes, cyclones, and tidal forces. The segment launching was done using balanced cantilever methods, and box girders were assembled via massive floating cranes. It's a smart bridge, with wind sensors, LED lighting, fire detection, CCTV, and automatic number plate recognition, ANPR. Future-proof and digitally enabled. The MTHL route passes through ecologically sensitive zones like the Thane Creek Flamingo Sanctuary and areas rich in mangroves. Environmentalists initially raised alarms. MMRDA implemented strict environmental protocols, constructed noise barriers near flamingo habitats. Planted 3 lakh+ mangrove saplings as compensatory afforestation. Ensured no construction during flamingo breeding seasons. Regular EIA assessments and third-party environmental monitoring. This was not just about building a bridge. It was about building it responsibly.